To sleep without a pillow. Is it bad for your neck to sleep without a pillow? Yes, no. Yes,
No,
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 it isn't bad.
it
for
isn't
my
bad for you, my neck
to sleep
to
without a
sleep
pillow.
without a pillow.
Can have a fire without flames? Can we have a fire without flames? Yes, we can
Yes,
have a
we
fire
can have a fire
without
without
flames.
flames.
Yes. How long is a flight from there to England? How long is a flight from there to England? The flight from
The
here
flight from here
to
to
England
England, it's about 12 hours.
12 hours. Thank you. What do the words may and might express? What do the words may and might express? The words
The words
may and might express the idea of
the
perhaps.
idea of perhaps.
What's the difference between may and might? What's the difference between may and might? The difference between may
The
and
difference
might
between may
is
and
that
might is that
we cannot use may.
we can use
We
may.
cannot. We
in-
cannot
we
use
cannot
may.
use
may in the
in
second conditional.
the second condition.
Give me some example, please. If I went
went
to London,
to London,
I might visit
I might
Buckingham Palace.
visit Buckingham Palace.
Yes. Do you think it may rain later? Do you think it may rain later? Yes, no?
No,
I don't think it will rain later.
it would.
It
would
will.
rain.
It will.
It
rain
will
later.
rain later.
What do you think I have in my pocket? What do you think I might have in my pocket? I think you might
think
have.
You might have a cell phone in your pocket.
Chocolates. Okay.
A chocolate.
What might happen if you didn't look both ways before crossing the road? What might happen if you didn't look both ways before crossing the road? An accident might happen.
Okay. An accident may happen.
An
when
accident might happen.
Might happen
If I didn't look
if
both
I
ways
didn't look both ways
before crossing the road.
when we cross the road.
Before crossing the road.
Before crossing road.
What might you see if you went to London? What might you see if you went to London? I might see Buckingham Palace,
Buckingham
the
Palace,
Houses of
the
Parliament,
Houses of
Trafalgar
Parliament,
Square,
Trafalgar
Piccadilly
Square,
Circus,
Piccadilly
etc.
Circus, etc.
If I went to London,
If I went to London,
do you think there might be another world war? Do you think there might be another world war? Yes, no.
yes,
I think there might be another world war.
another world war.
What's the difference between arrive at and arrive in? What's the difference between arrive at and arrive in? The difference between arrive at
and
is
arrive
that
in
we
is that
arrive at a
we
point,
arrive at a point,
whereas we arrive in
whereas
an
we arrive
area.
in an area.
Very good. What time do you arrive at school? What time do you arrive at school? I arrive at school at. I arrive at school at 12 noon.
At 9.
12 noon. Okay. If you arrive at a foreign airport without your passport, what might happen? If you arrive at a foreign airport without your passport, what might happen? If I arrived at a foreign airport
If I arrive at a foreign airport
without my passport,
my passport,
I might not be
will
able
not be able
to
I
enter
might
the country.
not be able to enter the country.
Yes. Finish. Okay.